Welcome everyone. My name is Nick Hershey. I'm the president of the Mortgage Calculator. We are a lender that operates differently than any other lender out there. So I'd like to thank everybody for joining us so we can explain a little bit more about what we mean. So I'll go through a short presentation and then we'll pass it over to Kyle Hershey, our COO, who will actually show some of the software we've developed and how it all works on the back end. So let me go ahead and share my screen here. And hopefully most of you have checked out this page, but let me explain a little bit more about what we mean. So again, we are not your traditional mortgage lender. We have a background in marketing technology and are truly a mortgage technology company. So we've written every line of code for everything you're about to see, and it is a full proprietary lending platform that includes a CRM, POS, LOS, and of course has AI built in at every step. Basically allows new or veteran loan officers to scale their business instantly. You can just plug into our system and generate leads every day from the activities you're already doing. So let's talk about how this works. So first off, the business model. So we're approved with over 135 total lenders and investors. That includes 28 non-deal correspondent, where we are the lender, funding loans with our own funds and using our non-deal partners to underwrite the loan. And if there's any reason we can't do that, we want to use one of our 122 wholesale broker partners. That way we always have access to the best rates and pricing. Typically that's going to be one of our 5,000 plus in-house loan programs where we are the lender, funding loan with our own funds. And again, if there's any reason we can't do that, we want to make sure we use one of our 122 wholesale brokered partners. That way we have access to every loan program that exists in the marketplace. So everything that's standard, conventional, VA, USDA, FHA, non-QM, DSCR, those are the types of deals we fund in-house with our non-deal correspondent partners. And once we start going outside the box, commercial, fix and flip, ground up, mixed use, CDFI, SBA, things like that, those are the types of deals we partner with our wholesale brokered partners. Again, what's important is we have a home for every deal that comes through the door. And how do we make this all happen? Again, it's all about our proprietary technology here. So it is you're looking at one page of our AI-powered lead generating website here, but it is a fully integrated POS, CRM, LOS, along with all of the web pages there that are included. What's really important for everybody here on the call to understand, one login for you as a loan officer, one login for your customer, no matter which one of our 5,000 plus loan programs we use or hundreds of different lenders or investors. With our system, you can pull instant rate quotes from our 5,000 plus in-house loan programs as well, and even get updates as the rates change throughout the day. And with the system here, our prospects can come in with just a basic name, email, phone number, to pulling their own live rates, completing their own 1003, pulling their own credit, getting that all synced into our system with the 1003 ready to go for you without you lifting a finger. And we're able to make that happen with all of our API integrations, over 50 integrations with some of the partners you might be used to. So we have an Encompass-based LOS system, but you never have to log into Encompass. You can control it with our system there. We use Optimal for pricing. Just click the button, no logins needed. And 5 AMCs, just a click away. You get the point. Everything is just a click away in the system there. We also have our proprietary Calvin AI built into our dual AWS. So a lot of platforms have dual AWS, Fannie and Freddie side by side. We take that a step further, run that through our AI to see which is going to be best for our borrower in that exact situation. We also use our AI to analyze all our different conditional approval updates. So every time an update comes in, our AI will analyze it, request updates from the borrower instantly for any new documents needed, and even do things with our AI assist features like request insurance, request title, and work to close your loan at every step of the way. And one of the things we're very passionate about here, since we're all remote, is our training and support. So typically you're going to find all of our tools there in our online training and learning center, basically our classroom. It's open 24/7, 365. You can jump in there, take new courses, upgrade your skills. And we do have a partnership with a mortgage school, so you can even take courses to add new state licenses to your license, or if you don't have a license yet, you can use our partnership there to get a discount on your license courses. We also have discounts on your yearly CE as well, so definitely a great use of our partnership there for all of our team members. And in our learning center there, we have thousands of hours of recorded trainings. Everything you need from structuring loans, clearing conditions are at your fingertips. And we have our real-time loan support. So we're remote, but we can still get face-to-face, take over your screen on Zoom, click those buttons for you, get you unstuck, and you see those are during extended business hours there. We also have our Calvin Compliance AI program with all the federal and state regulations, so you can always get an instant compliance answer 24/7. And moving on to the final category here, obviously we can close any type of loan in our 31 licensed states. We do have a few more pending as well. But what we're very passionate about is closing our DSCR business purpose loans, and everybody can do that in 16 additional states with no additional license required. So great opportunity for everybody on the team to expand your footprint. And if you notice there, we can do 47 total states, so almost the entire US with our business purpose loans. And we also have all kinds of ways we integrate with leads. Kyle will show you here in a second. There are free company leads there at a 50-50 split. We go over the comp plan. You can also generate your own leads there by copying our campaigns, putting your budget on them, and earning full comp on those, which Kyle will show you in a second. And if you're already generating leads and know what you're doing, you can import those in real time with our webhook. Kyle will show you how that works as well. And we also have a cool feature you can click anytime to refer deals to your teammates for 75 basis points. Maybe you're not licensed in that state, maybe you've never done that loan type before. Just click that button, work with your teammates, and earn 75 basis points. And as Kyle mentioned briefly before we went live, we love to meet everybody in person since we're all remote. We do our annual retreat here at least once per year, VIP yacht party, and cover the hotel room for our team members down here in Miami, and a great weekend of events, including past speakers like Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank and Marcus Lemonis from The Profit. It's a great chance to meet everybody in person at least once per year, even though we're all remote. And now let's go over the compensation plans. So first up here on the left, our standard loan officer comp plan can earn up to 200 basis points. That's 150 basis points on your self-generated loans. That's 1.5% of the loan amount commission for those not familiar with basis points. And simple 50-50 split on company leads means 75 basis points or 0.75% commission on company leads. And you can click that button at any time to refer deals to your teammates for 75 basis points or 0.75% of the loan amount commission. And you can earn 50 basis point bonus for any volume over 2 million. We want to build a platform for you to scale up. Once you do, we want to get as much comp back to you as we can. And there are no monthly fees or transaction fees on this plan at all. And it includes the website, CRM, POS, LOS, AI, everything you're about to see is included here. Now our new plan here on the right, Loan Officer Unlimited, may be for loan officers that want to take their business into their own hands and earn up to 100% commission. So when we charge our customers 275 basis points, you can earn up to 275 basis points on your self-generated loans. That's 2.75% of the loan amount commission. And simple 50-50 split means 137.5 basis points or 1.375% of the loan amount commission on company leads there. And still have access to click that button at any time to work with your teammates for 75 basis points for the referral there. And some cool features on this plan include automated daily social media posts to help you generate new leads every day automatically. And we call this Loan Officer Unlimited because it is truly unlimited with no transaction fees. There are platforms out there that charge per closing. We do not. We simply have a $4.99 per month CRM platform fee to enable you to retain 100% commission. So just two different ways to structure your business here as a loan officer. Feel free to click the button here to get the full breakdown on how the different plans work. Let's go ahead and pass it over to Kyle, who will actually show how this all works on the back end. So you ready, Kyle?
Yep, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. And just want to point out a few features of our system here. So like most CRMs, you can take your notes, send your emails, send your text, but you can also click here to have our AI assistant do that for you. You can set reminders for yourself. You can put people on action plans, drip campaigns to email them automatically and text them automatically on your behalf over time, all that kind of good stuff that most other CRMs do. But what really starts to set us apart is our quoting system. So within 2 minutes of getting off the phone with your client, you can input a couple pieces of info, click one button here without pulling credit, click a button to pull up all the different rates from our different outlets. And within 2 minutes, you can send your client a nice quote that looks like this with the rate choices you chose to show them. They can scroll over these things to see what they mean here. It pulls in automatically the Google map, the property taxes, the Zestimate, an insurance estimate, as well as a monthly breakdown of the taxes, insurance, HOA, lender fees. And if we scroll down here to the bottom of the quote, not only are you here on the quote as the loan originator, but you can also attach your realtor partners to it. So your realtors that refer you deals, they absolutely love this because they know when they refer you a client, not only can you quote them within minutes with this cool quoting system, but you will also include the realtor on the quote as well. Now, the best part about all this is your client can click Start My Loan Application at any time, and that takes them right to their borrower portal, which looks like this, where they can start their 1003 application right here. They don't have to leave the page, upload the documents we're going to need. They can see their loan info here. They can see the milestone of where the loan is currently at, which updates automatically as you go through the loan process. So your client has everything they need here in their borrower portal. Now, let me show you what it looks like in your portal on the back end of our POS LOS system here. You'll see that, let me pull up the back end here. So you'll see that this loan application is 100% complete. And what happens is when they submit their application, we pull credit instantly and automatically. So your client doesn't have to put in their credit card info or anything like that. They submit their application, we pull credit. So by the time you come in here and click the Encompass API to start originating the loan, not only is the 1003 already imported into here, but the credit is already pulled and imported, liabilities are already imported. So everything is here ready to go. Now I want to point out the dual loss as Nick was talking about. You can click here here to run automated underwriting with Fannie and Freddie at the same time, side by side, and then our AI will actually analyze it for you to let you know what's going to be best for your client in this particular situation. Now, once your loan is in underwriting, if we scroll down here, you'll see that you get your conditions right here. So whether it's your processor or you can come in here, upload a document to fulfill the condition, or maybe you need to dispute the condition to kick it back to the underwriter, whatever the case is, you have that all here in your same portal. So you see, this is how we can take somebody from being just a lead, a name, email, phone number, to communicating with them in the CRM, quoting them, gathering their application, their documents, pulling their credit, originating the loan, fulfilling the conditions, all of this in one system from start to finish with one login for you and one login for your client. So now let's talk about where these leads come from in the first place. We have more of a marketing background, so we don't purchase leads from third parties. All of our leads are exclusive from our own ad campaigns. And what happens is when somebody clicks on one of our ads, like here's an example of an ad we may run for like one of our bank statement programs. When somebody clicks on our ad, they opt in to be contacted, and you're sent a text message immediately. So I have a screenshot here of my test account, and this is what your phone would look like with the text messages coming in throughout the day with these different leads. Notice I have some regular purchase leads here. I have some business purpose, DSCR leads here. So I have all different types of leads coming in throughout the day. Those are the live leads that we provide for you. Now, another way that we provide you leads is through our auto dialer. So just like any other auto dialer, you can call 300-400 people in a day, but if they don't answer, you can press one button which drops an automated text and email to them on your behalf and then moves right on to the next call. And we always have leads in here for you to call. So there's always leads loaded up in the auto dialer, and these are not a bunch of cold call lists. Most of these are opted in leads. And we even have lists like realtor leads where you could call hundreds of realtors in a day to build those relationships. So there's always calls for you to do here in the auto dialer. Now, another way to get leads in our system is you can run your own ad campaigns. So if you want us to copy one of our ad campaigns that we know works and put your budget on it, you can do that here with one click. You don't need to know how to set up ads or design ads or route leads. You can just click one button, we copy our ad campaign, and those leads go to you without the 50-50 split on the back end, right? So while everyone receives free leads on a daily basis with the 50-50 split on the back end, these leads do not have a 50-50 split on the back end because you're running your own campaign. Now, maybe you're already purchasing leads from a third party. Maybe you're getting leads from Zillow or LendingTree, or maybe you run your own Facebook ad campaigns. We give you your custom webhook here on the Import Leads tab to be able to import leads into our system in real time. So as soon as that lead comes in from that third party, it's inserted into our CRM instantly and automatically, and our CRM notifies you instantly so you can call them and quote them and treat them like any other lead in our system, even though it came in from that third party source. So essentially every way there is to work leads, we have that built into our system for you. Now, in addition to that, we also help you generate your own leads. So everyone gets an AI-powered lead generating website, custom website for them. And then we also have some promotion materials here on your back end. When you log in, you'll see you have different business card designs, you have different flyers and different posters here, and you can update your picture at any time and generate new ones. All the info here is compliant. The QR code's automatically scanned to your personal website. So we do give you the ability to create your own promotion material here instantly. Now, anytime that you need support at the Mortgage Calculator, it's always just a click away. So you'll see here in the top right-hand corner, the live support button. That's on every page of our system. You can just click this button right here and it pulls you right into our Zoom room where our staff is there, whether it's our admin staff, our processing staff, our sales manager staff. Everyone is there to help you. If you need help with processing or maybe structuring a loan, quoting a loan, our sales managers are there to help you. So assistance is always just a click away here at the Mortgage Calculator. All right, with that being said, let me go ahead and talk about the next steps to move forward. So when you're ready to move forward, you're going to go to themortgagecalculator.com/join. That's this page here. And you're going to sign up for the applicable plan that you want to sign up on. Now, again, just to go through the difference between the plans, again, the main difference here is that on our standard loan officer plan, there's no monthly fees and you're making 150 basis points, as opposed to the loan officer unlimited plan, there's a $4.99 monthly fee because that allows you to earn 100% of your commission, which is $275 basis points there. So that's the main difference between the two plans there. Now you're going to sign up for the applicable plan, and it's going to take you right to sign the initial compensation agreement. Now don't worry, you don't have to sign it right then. It's going to email you a copy as well, so take your time and review everything. But once you do sign that initial compensation agreement, that's what's going to kick off all the next steps. Our onboarding team will reach out to get you onboarded and go through the next steps there. Now, I know there may be some people tuned in that are not licensed yet. If you don't have your license yet, we actually do have a program where you can get your license from our partner school, and we do reimburse you for the cost of not only the course, but also your NMLS fees once you close your first loan. So if you do need your license, go to themortgagecalculator.com/training. And that course includes everything you need to get your license. It includes the 20 hours of national education required. It includes the state education, however much extra state education that your state requires, as well as test prep and practice exams so you can get ready to pass your test and get your license. So if you don't have your license yet, again, themortgagecalculator.com/training to get your license. And if you already have your license, you're going to go to themortgagecalculator.com/join to sign up on the applicable plan. All right, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and stop recording, and we will open it up to questions.